Welcome to the best pick. The best tip cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any welder's arsenal, playing a critical role in maintaining the quality and efficiency of your welding operations by ensuring a clean and properly functioning contact tip. A pristine tip is paramount for achieving strong, consistent welds, preventing spatter buildup, and prolonging the life of your consumables, ultimately saving you time and money on repairs and replacements. This video will dive deep into what makes a tip cleaner truly stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your workshop. Number 5. WILLBOND Torch Tip Cleaner Welding Tip Tool Set. This set provides a comprehensive solution for cleaning various small openings. It includes multiple sizes to tackle different cleaning needs effectively. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They come in a convenient and lightweight aluminum case for easy portability and use. With 13 different wire diameters, you can precisely clean jets and passages of various sizes. The spiral knurling ensures a thorough clean every time. These tools are perfect for maintaining welding torch tips, carburetors, and sprinkler heads. They effectively remove carbon and dirt buildup from many machines. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, these cleaning tools are reusable. They are designed to provide long-lasting performance for all your maintenance needs. You'll receive 2 sets of tip cleaners, in both 5-inch and 3-inch lengths. Each set is equipped with 13 wire files of varying lengths, plus a flat file for added versatility. What we like. This set offers great versatility with both 5-inch and 3-inch cleaners, each featuring 13 wire files of varying lengths. It's ideal for a broad spectrum of cleaning tasks, from welding torch tips to shower heads. If you need a comprehensive kit for diverse maintenance jobs, this is a solid choice. What people say. They work flawlessly. Tons of sizes and nice and stiff. Work great for jets. A welder's tool that helps get the job done, good product, fair price, make that cut cleaner, faster. Number 4. 2-piece Welding Tip Cleaner Set. Introducing our 2-piece tip cleaner set, designed for a variety of cleaning tasks. It's perfect for welding nozzles, gas orifices, and even engine carburetors. This professional-grade kit includes both a large and a small tip cleaner. Tackle any job with confidence, knowing you have the right tool for precision cleaning. You'll receive 2 tip cleaners, one 130mm and one 75mm. Each cleaner features 13 wire files of varying lengths, ensuring a perfect fit for any opening. Crafted with quality stainless steel wires and housed in a durable aluminum casing, these tools are built to last. They are designed for longevity and effective use. Beyond welding, these cleaners are excellent for maintaining gas orifices, engine carburetors, sprinklers, and shower heads. It's a must-have for any toolkit. For added versatility, a flat file is included in the set. This ensures you have all the necessary components for thorough and effective cleaning. What we like. This option provides both a larger 130mm and a smaller 75mm tip cleaner, each equipped with 13 wire files. The stainless steel wires housed in a robust aluminum casing ensure durability. If you're looking for reliable tools for welding, cutting, or carburetor cleaning, this set offers a good balance of size and quality. What people say. These cleaners appear in every way to be of good quality and should provide ample service for any expected need for this type of tool. These are great for cleaned gas torch tip but also for sprinkler nozzles and much more. We use these to clean out the burner tips on the wok and they work amazing. They are slightly textured and strong enough to clean out the burner tips. There is always the right size in this set. Number 3. Herain Welding Tip Cleaner Set. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this cleaning tool is built to last. It comes in a lightweight aluminum box, making it easy to carry and use wherever you go. With 13 different sizes, including a flat file, it's designed to tackle dirt in tiny nozzles and carburetor passages. This ensures a perfect fit for various cleaning needs. This versatile tool is perfect for cleaning small orifices on a variety of equipment. From welding guns and sprayers to motorcycles and lawn equipment, it handles it all. Featuring a spiral design, it's specifically engineered to clear residue from cutting nozzles. Regular use can improve nozzle durability and enhance cutting performance. When used correctly, this tip cleaner is designed for multiple uses, offering long-term value. We're here to help if you have any questions about its performance. What we like. This cleaner features a 12-wire set along with a flat file, and its spiral design is particularly effective for dredging. It comes in a high-quality aluminum box for easy transport. If you prioritize a tool specifically designed for clearing stubborn residue in nozzles and carburetors, and appreciate a compact, protective case, this is a great option. What people say. This comes in really handy to clean my tip when using flux core wire. Saves my money from constantly switching tips if using bad wire. I ran all of the jets through my ultrasonic cleaner with very hot water-based cleaner and then verified that the tiny orifices were clear by using these cleaners. This makes sure that any stubborn varnish is removed. I'm sure they'll also work for torches, and potentially for cleaning the small passages in paint guns as well. All I know is that for $5 I was able to ensure that my carbs are cleaner than they have been in years. Number 2. MMOBIEL Soldering Tip Cleaner Station. Introducing the MMOBIEL Soldering Tip Cleaner Station. Keep your soldering iron tips in optimal condition with this essential tool. Clean your tips without water, preventing temperature drops. This ensures consistent performance and protects your soldering iron. Made with soft coiled brass, it effectively reduces oxide buildup. This prolongs the service life of your soldering iron tips. The innovative ball design prevents solder from scattering. Keep your workbench tidy with no tin residue escaping the container. This station includes a sturdy base holder and measures 6.8 by 7 centimeters. The ball diameter is 5.5 centimeters, making it a compact addition to your workspace. Trust MMOBIEL for quality tools that exceed expectations. Join our satisfied customers and experience the difference. What we like. This cleaner uses a brass wire and holder, eliminating the need for water, which prevents temperature loss on soldering tips. It's also smokeless, tasteless, and non-toxic, with a design that keeps your workbench clean by containing tin residue. If you are a professional who needs to maintain soldering iron tip performance without mess or temperature shock, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Easy to use for cleaning debris off soldering iron. It's really nice to have when you're in the middle of soldering and get too much flux and/or tin on the solder. That way you're not slinging molten tin around and you don't have to stop what you're doing to clean off some minor oxidation. Works very well, cleans my tips perfectly. Number 1. Solder Iron Tip Cleaner W Stand Set. Introducing our innovative solder iron tip cleaner. It provides a smokeless, tasteless, and non-toxic cleaning solution without any pollution. Experience a cleaner way to maintain your soldering tools. This device requires no water, eliminating the risk of contamination often associated with conventional tip tinners. Crafted from coils of brass, it offers superior cleaning performance compared to traditional sponges. Achieve a better clean with ease. Boost your productivity with a faster working cycle. This tool helps you get the job done more efficiently. The set includes a convenient stand holder, keeping your workspace tidy and your tool accessible. It's the perfect black accessory for any soldering station. What we like. This cleaning set utilizes steel wire within a brass stand, offering a water-free cleaning method that avoids contamination risks associated with sponges. It promises a faster working cycle and is smokeless, tasteless, and non-toxic. If you're seeking a quick, clean, and environmentally friendly way to maintain your soldering iron tips, this tool is an excellent choice. What people say. This tip cleaner works great and is easy to use. It cleans the welding tips quickly and effectively. The design is compact and fits well in my toolbox. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.